everybody. This is Dan Sheridan, and I'm excited to introduce or get ready to launch our next 3K class, which will be starting this coming Tuesday, August 1st. We've been doing it about 18 months. It's a plan to make 3K and 25K, and it's based on getting good turnover. You say, what do you mean by that? Turnover of trades that we're putting on 2 to 3 trades this week, and we're going to get them off within a week. And so next week, when we put 2 or 3 trades on, we're not going to have the trades on from this week. So you're getting turnover, so you can make better yields. We're looking for about 3% a trade or 12% a month. We're looking to be in each trade, maybe 20% of the duration. We're looking to do, generally we're doing trades 15 to 40 days, but we do some trades at 10 and 4 days, less size. The nice thing about the 3K class, and the reason we've been doing it for 18 months, is because people are getting, what they're getting is the practical experience of doing the trades. They're getting the teaching. We're doing the trades together. So you're learning. This isn't like a new service, hit the green button, hit the red button. We're teaching to be a craftsman. So we're going over why we're doing it. What's this trade? Why, how are we doing this? Stuff you're not going to see in a book. At least I haven't seen anything in a book on this. The risk management part. You see a lot of generalities on stuff. Each class we'll do 1 to 2 trades. We'll follow them. We'll track them. But we're also telling you when you would get out of it and all the risk management. And the key is we're looking at what's going on today. We're making our decision like what's going on today. And as I look at, here's SPX. So what am I looking at today? Well, today on July 27th, a lot of you still have some earnings stuff coming out after the close today, some earnings stuff next week. This is the big week of it. But the big Fed thing came out, so you take a sigh of relief. Generally, other than some earnings stuff next week, it should be more, it looks like we're a bit range bound. If you look, lately where we've been, VIX is very low, 1286. So today, and again, I'm just jumping into trying to do a trade with you today. Obviously, with the 3K class, we're going to teach you all of this. And this would meet every Tuesday and Thursday, starting this coming Tuesday, the 1st of August, for 4 weeks. And you get at least 2 hours at each class. The first hour would be, we call it boot camp, more for beginners and those where a lot of these concepts aren't as fresh. And then you get the regular 3K class where we kind of jump in and we're doing more of this. And so the 2 classes, the boot camp and the 3K, you have access to them. And what else am I going to say about that? And so that'll go for 4 months. And so you're going to get the live experience with that. But like today, I'm looking at, maybe a 15-day calendar, selling the August 11, buying the August 16, put it at the money. Right now, we are at around 45.90 in the SPX. So if you look at this, let me just cue this up for you. Here's where we're at, 45.90. So I'm centering the calendar, if it's non-directional, which we usually are, right at the money at 45.90. The blue graph, as opposed to bluegrass, that's the graph in 15 days. This is your graph today. These are the expiration break evens. You say, what are they? That's where at expiration graph, that's where if we go beyond either side of the expiration graph, at expiration, you'd be losing money. So generally within this area is where you want it to be. And so this is a 15-day trade. I'm looking to be in at 20% of the duration, about 3 days, right? I'd say 85% of the time I'm out by Monday. Sometimes I can get out at 6 or 7% tomorrow. So it's a debit transaction. I'm watching it. So and again, I'm going a little quicker today, but we'll go through the whole analysis, bring you up to speed, how we're doing all this. And we'll do a live trade. And I'll look at, okay, what's going on in the market today, right? We're up 24, not a huge move. VIX is lower a bit. So I'm coming on a calendar, a strategy that would benefit if the volatility goes up. And then we do a live trade and we're going to follow it. But it's not just a live trade where tell me what to do. I'm teaching you what to do so you can do it yourself. Yes, am I going to send you out alerts and texts when I do a trade? Yes. Am I going to send you all the adjustments? Yes, but we're going to teach you how. But we're going to be doing these trades live in class, and then we explain the risk management, and then we'll do it together. So you can see here's the debit 550, 555. Let's say I go in at 550, and I go in and buy the calendar. And we'll talk more on execution, but we're always putting a trade on, and you can see it. Here it is, 550. Okay, so I'll give them a nickel. Again, 1 penny in, 1 penny in SPX, or 10 cents in SPX is like a penny in SPY, right? So 555, I think I'll get it there. Okay, so then usually in class, what we would do, all right, then I'll bring it up, right? And we'll go through painstakingly, okay, here's the trade. Here's what I got filled at, right? Here's the graph. Here's the graph, right? What's our plan, right? How did we, what's the setup of the trade? What's the profit target, the max loss? When will we take it off? What's the gain? So you're learning the craft as we go along here. So anyways, excited about it. The launch of the 3K will be this Tuesday, August 1st. I think the class times will be for the boot camp, which is more for the beginners and first timers in the 3K. That'll start at 12 Central. And then 1 o'clock Eastern starts the regular 3K class. So look forward to seeing you. You can get some information at Sheridan Mentoring. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Thanks.